There's a lot of press out there, a lot of discussions around the pandemic and did it cause the supply chain issues we're encountering? And what, from my perspective at least, the pandemic was really kind of the straw that broke the camel's back, if you will. But this has been something that, in my mind, has been building for a while. I know in our practice in working with our customers, there's a lot of talk about how do we become more efficient, because we're starting to have workforce shortages, and it's really kind of reflective of the aging out of the baby boomer generation, if you will. And then, just other things occurring. And what the pandemic did was really accelerate that. There was certainly, a large loss of life as a result of the pandemic, but there was also a lot of people who in their careers might have been at a point where we're deciding, when do I want to retire? And they took the pandemic as an opportunity to accelerate that. So those areas that we were starting to feel for labor shortages, just the pandemic really just accelerated that.